Hello my loves, it's Kasha Plannerista 101. So today we're going to be working in my dashboard layout, which is a social media, and it is a classic size happy planner. So if you are joining me for the first time in my channel, welcome. I really hope you like it here. And if you are coming back, thank you so much for spending more time with me. I know your time is precious, so thanks for sharing a chunk of it with me. So I'm going to cover up that left side as always of my dashboard with this checklist I created for myself for social media. I really like this checklist I made. I just print it every week, size it, and glue it down. It works pretty well for me. And I'm gonna go ahead and just cut it really fast to size, and we're gonna redate this planner as well because it is an outdated planner from last year. This planner is called A New Day and it was a dashboard layout for 2021. I used 6 months of it and then I switched. And this year I didn't find a dashboard that I really liked that spoke to me, so once my modern year finished, I went back to this one and I'm just redating it. So I'm using Agenda 52 stickers. They have these calendar stickers that I'm able to redate with, so that's exactly what I'm doing. I'm just gonna continue on with the numbers left from this particular set. So I am redating this whole month, so 15, 16. So like I said, it's August 15th through the 21st that we're going to be redating. And then I'm going to be using some sticker books to decorate the rest, so stick around. Okay, so a couple more dates. 19, 20, 21. Okay, here we go. I think that's pretty good. Beautiful. Fantastic. Okay, now we can go ahead and do some decorating. So I have this color story. It's 461 and it's called, I don't think it has a name. I think it's just a color story. I'm not sure which one in order of color stories this one was, but it is an older one and I really enjoy the little collections in this. If you don't know what a color story is, it's a book of stickers like the other ones, but instead of the whole book having like one theme like florals or summer, this one has few pages of different collections. So if you're starting out and you're still finding your style, these books are kind of great to see if you like color, or if you're neutral, or if you like quotes. Like, you are able to find your style with those because they have so much to offer. You can mix and match these collection. You can stick to one collection. I usually like to stick to one collection because that's what I enjoy, but you guys are more than welcome to mix and match. Remember why you started, because I really like it, that's why. But yeah, so this one has these beautiful florals in it and this really lovely like teal colors, and I wanted to use it because I thought this is fun, and I haven't used a color storybook, I want to say, in a year. It's just sad, right? I think when you get to a certain level of having X amount of books, you kind of forget about your older books or about the books that are maybe not as popular. So it's kind of good to go through your stash once in a while and see what you have and see what you are able to use and what stuff still fits your style and what you should kind of keep on the side and see if you can come back to that style. Because remember, styles change too. Needs, lifestyle, all of that stuff changes based on where you are in your life or what's going on in your life. So currently, speaking of lifestyles, I have to have so many planners to manage my life because My plate is kind of full in each area of my life. I don't have any kids, but I do have multiple jobs that I really enjoy doing, and I do YouTube, and I still run a household, so it's quite a bit, and I really like it. We do have pretty extensive families that we are in constant contact with. So I'm gonna add these like watercolor little patches. I think those are kind of fun to add to the planner. So I'm gonna add this, and I'm gonna put that Get Busy on top of it. Take a look. Don't be afraid to layer, because it's kind of fun. And then I'm gonna go ahead and put all of these swatches of colors all over the place, like so. I don't remember if this was like a separate book that had these and that's where they're from, or if this is just like the color story and that's it. I'm truly not sure which one is it, but I truly love all of these little swatches, and I think they're so adorable. So I'm gonna go ahead and add one more on Monday, and then we'll continue just slightly decorating until I feel like this spread is completely finished, as always, right? Okay, so I'm gonna add another swatch up here because I think that looks better. I'm gonna add Treat Yourself. I'm gonna add this Hello Today. I think that's super cute. I'm kind of playing with some of this stuff. Let's do this. I'm gonna add this darker quote to bring in the black from the other side from the redating. Remember, I really like my spreads to balance, so I usually play with a little bit of color here and there to fill them in, and I think that looks good. Happy days are here. What else? Let's add a couple quotes. Dream Yourself. I'm just gonna add a couple things to kind of fill in the spread, and I'll put this back in my planner and see how it looks, because sometimes when it's in it looks different than when it's outside to me, so I really like seeing the full version of this. We do need to redate that 2021 really quick, and I think we're gonna be pretty much done. So I'm gonna grab a blue to bring that blue up top, like so, and I'm gonna go ahead and redate really quickly. So we're gonna do 2022, like so. I'm gonna thicken it a little bit, and we are done. But thank you so much for joining me. I truly hope that you have enjoyed watching this video. If you did, don't forget to give it a thumbs up. Don't forget to subscribe if you are already not subscribed, and I'll see you soon for another video. Thanks for watching. Bye.